Hi, hi watch friends. Today I will show you how to regulate an automatic or mechanical watch, the movement regulation with the Timegrapher. And I demonstrate this for you with a Pagani watch. So let us start. So this is the balance wheel, and the balance wheel has two levers. This lever is for the regulating the beat error of the watch, of the movement. And this lever, with this lever, we regulate the watch how many seconds per day its accuracy. Okay, now I put my Timegrapher on. Now we can see actually the watch is 16-17 seconds per day plus. This means the watch is 16, 17, 18, 20 seconds plus per day. That it's not so bad, but we can do this perfecter. This is the rate, seconds per day. This is the amplitude. The amplitude must be between 250 and 300. It's a little bit more, but it's okay. This is the beat error. This is the time between tick tack, and that's it, perfect regulated. And that's the here is the parameters for the 21,600 beat per second as this movement. That's the 52 degrees. Now, so we regulate this watch yet. Sorry for my setup, guys. I have one camera, my handy camera, and I must switch between the watch and the Timegrapher. Now this is the lever for adjusting the how many seconds the watch minus or plus per day. When put this lever this side on right, then the watch goes faster. Put this lever left side, the watch goes slower. But we must a little bit slower. Now I gently with a toothpick this lever up. So that was too much. I show you. That was too much. That's too much. Now I put this position on right, very gently. And I show in the display the result. Sorry that I show this, but I switched the camera. So now we have a result of 22 seconds plus per day, and the beat error is 0.1, 0.2. Now I regulate a little bit more. Sorry guys. A little bit slower. -44 -44. Now we have this movement. Now we have 17, 16 seconds per day. A little bit more slower. I must adjust manually. Now we have a result of -6, -7. For this demonstrate, I let this so. That's a good value. Plus is better, but this movement is a cheap movement that not just good adjustable. So guys, I hope this video is helpful for you. This Timegrapher I have bought on AliExpress, approx 130 euros, 150 euros. It's good, it's do the job very well. And I have this about 2 years. So guys, see you next time.